Hey, what's up, Kishu Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video about Kishu, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the latest price situation. What's the price? What's the price change is open in the Kishu, and what's the reason behind it? I mean, why the price of Kishu is a negative. So in this video, I will show you guys. But before starting this video, please, I request all of you to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the Kishu, guys. So guys, the currently live price of the Kishu in the market is 0.00000001 USD dollar. Very low price coin. Simply, it is a low price coin in the market. But other side, guys, if you look only the August price changes, Kishu is not a paid coin. Only the August month is paid month of the Kishu, guys. Last 1 hour, last 1 days, last 1 week, changes open the Kishu has become negative. Very badly decreased, guys. So guys, don't worry about these changes will become positive in the next month, in the beginning of the next month. Now this time you have to just only wait for next month. And you know what, why the price of the Kishu is become more negative in the last of August? Guys, you already know about that in the last half month, it's the last half month, a lot of people, especially the short-term investor, decide to sell. And due to selling, guys, the price changes becomes low, because the people decide to sell. That's why the supply becomes low, so the price becomes already low, guys. So guys, personally I recommend for you, Kishu is not a bait coin. Only the August month is bait for a Kishu. Possibilities that in the start of next month the price start pumping, guys. So don't sell it. It is a low price coin. Don't sell it. Hold for a long time. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Kishu? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.